Meghan Markle and Prince Harry have been urged to return to their passion projects, as the couple's popularity hinges on charitable causes. PR expert and Go Up's chief executive Edward James has opened up on how the couple could see their popularity grow, amid the end of their multi-million-pound deal with Spotify. The PR expert has encouraged the couple to think about taking on some important work around internationally important subjects and returning to their work on issues concerning marginalized communities, army veterans and women's rights. Get the latest royal news straight to your phone by joining our WhatsApp community, James told Express.co.uk. For all of their setbacks, the Sussexes are still involved in and committed to some incredibly important work around internationally important subjects. Environmentalism, the protection of women, marginalized communities, and children. Work with veterans, such as the hugely popular and successful Invictus Games, the brainchild of Prince Harry and the result of years of his hard graft. The return of their popularity hinges on these charitable causes. The PR expert went on to praise the couple who, in his opinion, have always appeared completely genuine when it comes to charitable projects. He said, "They seem committed to them not out of a desire for popularity, but because they are projects that they care deeply about. This much shines through." Harry and Meghan dealt another blow as request to patent archetypes refused by officials offering them advice. He added, "If they keep their heads below the parapets for a period of time, perhaps 2 years, and focus on making real headway with those projects, while also making some great, scandal-free and successful productions, then there is a road for recovery." He said that he believes that the Sussexes can find this road too. One notable charitable venture that Prince Harry has under his belt is the Invictus Games. The Games is an international multi-sport event for wounded, injured and sick servicemen and women, both serving and veterans. It launched in 2014, and has been viewed as a resounding success. Despite stepping down from most of her patronages after the couple's royal exit, Meghan continued to serve as patron of 2 charitable organizations. Royal Family Live, Sussex's squandered golden opportunity blasts Trevor Phillips 1 year after their exit. Buckingham Palace issued a statement confirming that the 41-year-old would continue her work with Mayhew and SmartWorks. Despite the end of their deal with Spotify, the couple still have multi-million-pound deals with Netflix and Penguin Random House.
Now take